What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to an extremely special episode of Fish and GrubbZ. Why am I in my fucking driveway? Well, because we're about to embark on a journey. Got a hiking bag. Why? I don't know. We got luggage bag filled with clothes, boots, stuff to fish, and then we got, obviously, the camera bag for all of our camera needs. Then we get me, we got the GoPro, we got the big camera, and we're doing it, folks. Right now, we're gonna hop in the car and we're gonna head down to Logan Airport. And when we're there, I'll talk to you a little bit more about what we're doing, but let me just, yeah. It's my dude right there. Come along with us. Holy crap, folks. We're wicked late. Jesus, I don't even know where the fuck we're going. Where am I supposed to go? We're wicked late. The traffic was horrendous. We're here, we're at the airport now. Hopefully we don't miss our flight. Our flight leaves in less than an hour. We just got here. Fuck! So, we're getting it done. I mean, shit. We're going to Minnesota. We're going to Minnesota, eh? Don't you know? Oh. I'm so annoyed right now. The traffic was horrendous. We went this crazy back way and saved like probably 10 minutes because 93 was fucked, 95 was fucked, everything was fucked. All right, whew, here we are. Let's do this. Golly. Stress levels at a maximum right now. Even better, folks, we're supposed to be at Terminal E. For some reason, I thought it said Terminal C earlier. Fuck. Sucks. Balls. Fuck. Well, that's a plus. There's no freaking line in security. There's really no line in security, which is great. Be able to get through quick. Holy crap. So stressed. I think we made it. We're just about to our gate. Shittiest part about this entire thing is that I completely and totally forgot my inhaler. And after all this running around, I'm starting to get short of breath. That fucking blows. But we'll see. We'll be on the flight any moment. Let's do this. Are they taking everyone right now?
They just said someone's 1, 2, and 3.
Oh my goodness.
Let's see where it says.
I have no idea.
Day 48 at this time, 70 flight 252 services Minneapolis, welcoming those passengers seated in zone 4.
I just got here. What zone am I in?
To gate E5.
That would be why. I don't know what zone I'm in.
Minneapolis, main board at this time. As a reminder, zone 5 customers are allowed only one personal item that must fit underneath the seat in front of you. If you have additional items, please see me here at the gate before boarding.
All set, thank
Cool. Thanks. Whew. Freaking did it, folks. We're in the plane. No B-roll at the airport, but that's what happens when you're fucking wicked late. Absolutely ridiculous. We did it. We made it. What's going on? All right, folks, we are freaking stoked to be here. We don't even know what we have in store for the day, which is dope. So we're gonna meet up with our buddy and see what's going on. We'll see you out there. What up? What's going on, man? Woo! Pumped. right, folks. We're at the lake out here in Minnesota. First day. We're going out to see if we can get on some crappie and possibly some catfish, which would be dope because I've never fucking caught a catfish. So it's windy as fuck. Not right here, but you guys can see out there. It is fucking windy. But we're gonna go ahead and do it. Do it to it. It's gonna be a good day. In fact, it's already been a fucking spectacular day. Getting to see that campground. I didn't take you guys with us while we were driving around, but that place is dope. It could possibly be my job for the summer. I'm loving it. But let's get on the water and see what's up. See if we can get us some fish. That's what it's all about. Nuh-uh. Get the fuck out of here. Do you need to reel in? Yes! Where's my goddamn big camera? Oh, I'm gonna have to adjust all the settings and shit.
Feel decent?
That feels pretty good. Yeah, dude! Blake! Oh, man.
He's on.
You think it's a catfish?
Oh yeah. Gotta be.
This will be the biggest catfish I've ever seen in person. What do you think about that? I'm gonna switch over here. Oh yeah! Oh yeah, we're getting on those.
Oh yeah, you bet.
That's a big one there. Oh, that's a nice fish. Dope. The long dong whiskers. Hiya! Woo! Ow! Dude, that's sick.
That's a fatty.
Oh, nice, dude. Look at those whiskers. First catfish on Fishing GrubbZ. The channel cat, right?
Yep.
I think we got some horn pouts on the river last year, but nothing like this. This is fucking dope, dude. That's awesome. Let me get a couple pictures of you. Peace, young buck. Woo! Yeah, bud! Woo! All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is pretty much wrapping up a freaking dope day. It's gonna be a weird video because, you know, it was a lot of travel. But fucking Minnesota. We're out in Minnesota. We're on this beautiful lake. It's perfect out. Besides the fact that it's freezing fucking cold. But Blake here, gone on a freaking catfish. So we're pumped about that.
First open
And
water fish of the year.
yeah, that was his first open water fish of the year. Stoked. Sun's going down, so we're gonna sign out. If we get another fish, you'll definitely see it. But we're probably gonna be heading out of here soon because our fucking fingers are frozen. But it's been a hell of a day, and we got a couple days left here in Minnesota. So we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for tuning in. If you don't hit the subscribe button, you have a small pecker, and hit the bell as well. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Fishing GrubbZ. Fish on!